So I have one issue come up with this rain. Is I have this truck cap. It's a LEER, and it's got one of these frameless windows. Doesn't slide, but it kind of pops out in order to get air. And I got a leak somewhere on the outside. Not sure where. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have this kind of play in it, but I got some water leaking in here. Let me show you. So right in here, there's some moisture coming in, and it's just enough to kind of mess up this corner of the bed. And as you can see, this is the kind of window that pops out like that, and it's hinged over there, I think. And then you can tighten it up and it pulls it in. And not sure where that water's coming in other than the seal that's around there. It's a frameless window, and I'm not really sure how to fix that, but it's really annoying at this point. Screwed up some of my charcoal. The bag got wet, so now I got to clean up this charcoal back here. But my luggage is hard shell. It can get wet, not a big deal. But yeah, it's kind of annoying. Hey, if you've got any ideas on how to fix this, if you've experienced this before, hey, drop a comment.